I'm gonna make sure.
Melissa, is that you? Well, look who it is on the streets.
Cheddar Bob blew his foot off. Matina. What are we doing? Pound it. Explode. On top.
Where did you come from?
Ew, that was so sick.
You should, girl.
Rick, where did you come from?
Carnage. Carnage. Do you know what that is?
Ew. Why don't you take your sweater off? Are you
It's
still
stuck on.
Are you still hot right now?
I'm hot, yeah. Hot and sweaty. I'm dancing around. Having so much fun.
Where was
What
that?
about you?
The amphitheater?
Yeah, it was at the amphitheater. That's where all these people are spilling out from.
Tina, what are you gonna do? You look good in green. I like that. Give me $1. Give me $1 right now.
I don't have any dollars.
Give me a fucking $1. That's gonna
give
be
you-
really cute.
I'll give you $1.
Hey, my friend, who's $1 to say, man?
No.
I tell you, man.
Are you hanging out here?
Yeah, we go this way. Where are you going?
I'm going this way too.
Where are you going?
This way?
Matina! Do what we talked about!